on, let's see what Simon's doing.
Oh, hello.
What's this?
I'm just doing a clutch.
Oh, this is an UK clutch. Look at that laser tools thingy.
Look at that.
Look at this. Oh, Sean Satchwell's going to love me. This is a single man gearbox removing tool. Just been up to Chesterfield this morning. So I don't know, 2.5 hours there, 2 hours back, something like that. I've done it again. Sam's going to kill me. Look at that. Somewhat of a difference for this though. It's got a turbo on it. It's 160 brake monster. Well, I'll say monster, it's 160 brake. Look at this. Boost gauges and everything. Got the bar seats. Got twin sunroofs. She's gonna kill me. Morning everyone, back again. There's Rossi. Say hello, Rossi.
Hello.
Look at him, he's nearly as happy as Alfie. Right, today, got a right good day. Oh wait, there's Kade.
No.
Kade, come and say hello.
Hey up.
How are you?
I'm alright.
What's that at? Where'd you get that from?
From Twiggy, mate. Look at this.
Is it a Tech Fest that? Tech Fest. I never went. I don't tell people when I go on holiday.
I didn't go either, because I was on a training course.
Was you? You was on a training course. You went on a bike, didn't you? So you went to the LKQ Academy at,
No, Tamworth.
Tamworth?
Yeah.
On a push bike. On a push bike. Right, anyway, I'll show you what I'm doing. Pull that out. Rossi! So, this rocker housing has broke this off. This like a PCV chamber. So what we're going to do, take this pipe off here, and this has some snapped bolts underneath it. That's going to be a fun day.
Yeah.
Yeah? Right, let's crack on.
Dean's on his jollies in there. Some meeting or something.
So, update, we've got Rossi on the job. What's going on then, Rossi?
Try to take this cover off, mate.
Oh
Rossi's
no.
trying to get this cover off down here.
Yeah.
Because there's snap bolts in the rocker cover. Is it?
Oh god.
Peak.
Let Top Dog have a go.
Cheers.
Do you know when it's your first day back off holiday, right? And they go, oh, great stuff. We put the injectors in this T4 here. And put the injectors in, started cranking it, but the starter motor failed. Because it's old and it's tired and it's on a P-reg. So, turning it over, starter motor failed. But it's okay, we know how to bleed it up, so don't everyone go, oh, you bled it up on that. No, you know, you fill a filter up and you crack it off with a 17, turn it a few times and there you go. So then he turned it over and it ran, and then it was running, and then it decided it didn't want to run. But if you look at them dates there, which is, what miles it on, Twigster?
133.
133, so that's only 23,000 miles. And then you got first to the second,
14 years.
14 years. If you can see, a gate's writing down here. Oops, wait. Down. Just crank her over, Twig. Oh. Yeah. And again. Oh. Unfortunately, the top's no longer connected to the bottom end. Oh dear. Welcome back off holiday. Right, Rossi.
Yep.
I'm going to teach you something now.
Alright.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
So, what I've done is there's a snap stud in there, as you can see. No, wait, where's my finger? There. That's a snap stud. Someone's already previously snapped it. My job is to take it out. It's maybe one thread out. So I'm winding the nut on there. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to put some weld in the middle. What it'll do, the heat sink will go through into the stud and come out. That one there is also snapped. So we're going to get that out as well. So I need this off, Rossi, really. Yeah. But that bolt's looks like someone's cross-threaded it and just wound it in on the Torx 40. So got to get that out. and get that out. You got it? Don't look at the flash because it'll sort of make you a bit blind.
Alright.
Oh. Let me turn them up one notch. Melt the life out of it. Yeah?
Yep.
Let me just take the end off. I tried to use this tin foil as a thingy, didn't I?
Yeah.
Come on. See that? Ooh, I'll tell you what best do. Turn gas on. Sausage. You sausage, aren't you? That's not gonna, that's no way gonna hold without no gas on it. Quarter drive with extension. Anything? No. So then that goes in the bin. And now,
Right.
we go again. I don't watch it don't burn myself because it's going to be red hot. I need to get this tip out. I can't bloody see. I need to step up the step ladder a bit. No, moved. Get it there. Get it tight. Oh, there's a blob. Oh, it's brought it out with it. So I'm getting tight. Right. Let it cool down for a second. No, snap. Woohoo! It's gone. Oh! Yeah, can you see it down here?
Action.
Wait, where's my hand? No, you're not even on it. Go down. Down, down, down. Hey!
Ah!
Rossi! There, you sausage. Right, got my inductor. Get it on there. The stud's broke. So, hey up. Stud's red hot. Roasting hot. Shot Twigsings. There's like no thread hardly left out. Now, taking the top off. Proven to be slightly challenging, this beautiful, beautiful bit of engineering.
Okay.
Do you know what? No, I'm not taking the cam carrier off. Flush cuts. Oh, in your pocket. I think he was trying to steal. You're thieving them.
I was keeping them for him.
Whoa!
I was keeping them for him.
You're stealing your flush cuts for. That's a new tip and I've ruined it on this. feeding flush cuts for you. You live in posh end of town as well.
Oh, for God's sake.
What?
Oh, it's sunny, is it?
Oh wait, I forgot to blink. What are you giving us abuse for? Just because you're upper lower class.
Upper lower, he's not. He's lower upper, isn't he?
Oh, that's like 4 levels up, mate. What's guts? Oh, got it. Oh, that was a good cracker, wasn't it?
That's good, that.
Right. Jeez! They just... Vehicles nowadays are just...
Bad.
bad.
Bad, man.
Try and go into property.
I'm thinking
Yeah, you could do it, mate.
building for you, yeah.
Yeah, we'll do it.
Doing a bit of groundworks on Saturday I was.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, back on it this Sunday.
Ah.
Bit of concrete this Sunday.
Oh, no, it's not further in the cylinder head now. Just not fun. It's not fun.
Go for it.
It's got, yeah, I can drill through it, not through it. Try and get that one off. Right, Rossi, put the camera. Happy with that?
Yep.
Good. So I could have done that 3 hours ago. I could have done that 4 hours ago.
Yeah.
But I didn't. It's good. Good thread that. See that? That's just magic. You know how nice that feeling is. Have I done one job? Is that my job done today? How many hours? 5 hours?
Well,
Yeah, I need to shape up a bit, don't I? Come on, all the way. All the way. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. There you go. Come on, come on. Yay! Good. Well done. That one's done over there. That one's done on there. Nice bit of work. Easy. Well, let me get this machine. Let me come that side of you. Oh, it is blocked, isn't it?
Mm.
It's been smoking 40 Lambert and Buttons today. How bad is it in there?
Could be better.
Not the best, is it? What's it showing? EGR flow.
Inlet runners and airflow.
Inlet runners like a flappy valve.
Flaps, yeah.
Nice. Well done, Mercedes. They're terrible, aren't they? Is this the Renault? Or is this Mercedes?
Mercedes.
This is Mercedes.
Diesel.
Blah. You're getting me to dislike diesels, Asa. I don't know how you've won. You made me see the light.
Because they're awful.
They are awful, aren't they? Look at this. They're out fixing stuff on the road and we're out fixing them in here. What do you mean the belt's extremely loose, mate?
look how loose the belt
Let's
is.
get down there, my camera in it.
Right. There you go. Look how loose that belt is.
Wait.
You got it?
Yeah?
Look how loose
Oh, wait,
that is.
wait, you just shot right up. Right, okay.
Look how loose that is.
Oh, that is loose.
Yeah.
Why is it loose?
And look at the other side of the belt. How loose it is down there. I don't know if you can get the camera in. It's a bit tight, but the back end of the belt's also loose. And you can
No,
see...
not that way.
Hey, up, wrong way.
Turn, 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 turn.
That
Turn.
back end of the belt's loose.
Yeah, down there.
Down there, yeah, that's it.
Okay, can I get
And
my hand in
if
to
you-
wiggle it? Oh, oh, it's loose, loose.
Yeah. It's loose.
Oh, right, so I'm pulling that there. Wait, oh, my camera's everywhere, mate. Right, so I'm pulling that there. That you can pull the belt off.
Yeah.
So what's loose?
Right. So you see,
What's
I
happened?
put the ratchet on the crank there,
Yeah,
on the cog, the actual cog.
on
for
the sprocket,
the
yeah.
belt, and it's loose. Look, feel it.
Oh,
The bolt's loose.
oh, the bolt's loose. Where's the bolt loose on the crank? Oh, the bolt's loose on the crank. Oh, now it's tight. Why is the bolt loose on the crank? The guy drove it in.
Yeah, I
He
know.
drove it for a year with a loose crank bolt.
So obviously just
You gotta take it off. You can. So he's got a loose. Why has he got a loose crank bolt? That's dead bad, you know.
in it.
Right. Okay. Strip. Take the head off it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh. Why was it loose? So that's why it spun. Right. Take the bottom pulley off. You don't undo the centre. You've got 4 Allen keys, 4 6mm Allen keys on it, yeah? So undo the 4 6mm Allen keys. Take the pulleys off because the bolt should hold the pulley to the crank.
Okay.
Take cam housing off. Take the jar pipe off here and stuff. Once you get the cam housing off, undo this. Take this off. 1 2 3. One here usually, one down there usually, and then undo his gaffer tape, and then this comes out the way. Then undo the 13 here. There should be a 10 in there, 13 in there, 10 in there, and this comes out the way, and the whole rad pack like lifts off and rests on the bumper here. So you lift the rad pack forward and it rests on there. You got loads of room. Yeah.
That's mad though, isn't it? How it's now loose and he's been driving it around like that.
Been driving for a year, and it's coming here for some injectors, and it's gone. It's mad, mad, balmy. Right, that's it. That's a wrap. End of the week. Oh, fantastic week it's been. Just getting my door down now. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I really appreciate your time watching and stuff. We're getting so close to 1,000 subscribers, which takes us to another level, which encourages me to crack on a bit more and do a bit more for you. But no, I want to thank everyone. I want to thank my work team. I want to thank my friends. I want to thank my family. I want to thank everyone for everyone who's involved. And I'm going to go and enjoy the tough weekend now. Later, taters.